Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to make soft tortillas and that too without baking powder or baking soda. This is from Mexican cuisine. It is made of corn flour or all-purpose flour. It is form of thin flatbread which can be rolled up with your favorite filling inside. The tortilla should be thin and foldable for your fillings. Please watch the video till the end for tips and tricks of how to make a perfect tortilla and ingredients list. The ingredients list is also in the description box below. Like and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. If you prepare a recipe from Festive Flavors, take a picture of your preparation and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your preparation on our channel. Let's look at the ingredients. All-purpose flour 2 cups, salt half teaspoon, water 3/4 cup warm, butter or lard 2 tablespoons. Take a large bowl, pour in flour, add butter and salt to it. Mix everything really well with your hands into a crumbly mixture. This might take 1 to 2 minutes. Now take little quantities of hot water and bring the flour mixture together. Do not dump the water all at once, but use it as needed. You can see the dough is coming together. Please like and subscribe to Festive Flavors. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, share with your family and friends. Knead the flour into a smooth dough. You can see that the hands are no longer sticky. The dough has been kneaded well. This took around 5 to 7 minutes. Make a ball of the dough and cover and keep the dough to rest for 30 to 35 minutes. This will develop gluten and it will be easier to roll the dough. After 30 to 35 minutes, knead the dough again for 1 to 2 minutes. Please like and subscribe to Festive Flavors. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, share with your family and friends. Take out some flour for dusting the tortillas. Now make the dough into a log shape and cut out lemon-sized balls from it. Make round balls. Dust the balls with flour and keep them covered. Take the ball and press it to form a disc. Now take a rolling pin and place the center of the pin on the center of the disc and press firmly into the dough and roll towards yourself. Dust with the flour if it sticks. Roll the disc to round shapes. It should be around 1/6 of an inch thick and 7 to 12 inches in diameter as required. Heat your griddle and place the rolled out tortilla on the medium hot griddle. Let it sit for 40 to 60 seconds. It should form small or large bubbles. Flip the tortilla and cook on the other side the same way. You will see light brown spots on the cooked side. You can flip again once more to cook for a few seconds. Remove from heat and place under a kitchen towel and repeat for the rest of the discs. Your griddle should not be too hot. It should be hot enough to give you light brown spots on your tortilla and not dark brown spots. Remember that we have to cook them again when we prepare our Mexican dishes like quesadilla, burrito, enchilada, tacos, so don't let them overcook. Please like and subscribe to Festive Flavors. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, share with your family and friends. Our tortillas are ready for burritos, enchiladas, tacos, quesadillas, and other Mexican dishes. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making perfect tortillas. Add hot water a little at a time until the dough holds together. Secondly, rest the dough for 30 to 35 minutes. This will develop gluten and it will be easier to roll the dough. Thirdly, your griddle should be hot enough so that when cooking the flour tortillas, the spots are light brown and not dark brown. The list of ingredients is in the description box below. Like and share our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Next, we are going to bring quesadilla, another recipe from our Mexican food series. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, Namaskar.